You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today. And is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, four-wheel drive. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.